Get a $2,000 loan today, a guide for bad credit. Are you facing a financial emergency and in need of a $2,000 loan but worried about your bad credit? You're not alone. Home repairs, medical bills, and auto repairs can pop up unexpectedly, leaving you in a tough spot. Thankfully, Missouri Title Loans Incorporated offers a solution with car title loans that don't rely heavily on your credit score. What is a title loan? A title loan can provide quick access to cash when traditional lenders won't approve you due to bad credit. If you own your vehicle outright and your title is free of liens, debts, or judgments, you have the opportunity to secure a title loan. This means that even with a credit score lower than 500, you can still get approved for the funding you need fast. The process of getting a title loan. Applying for a title loan is straightforward. You can receive up to $15,000 depending on your vehicle's value. This makes title loans one of the most accessible options available for immediate cash. 3 simple requirements. To apply for a title loan, you only need 3 key items, making it easier for anyone to obtain emergency cash. Number 1. A lien-free vehicle title. First and foremost, you need to provide a lien-free vehicle title as collateral. This proves that you own the vehicle outright and there are no outstanding liens against it. Remember, the title must be in your name for it to be accepted. Number 2. Proof of identity. You will also need to verify your identity, which generally includes a government-issued ID and proof of age. This is a standard requirement for any loan application. Number 3. Vehicle assessment. Finally, a quick assessment of your vehicle's value will need to be completed. This helps to determine how much you can borrow based on your car's worth. Why choose title loans? Many borrowers prefer title loans because they can bypass the lengthy approval process of traditional lenders. Title loans allow you to access funds quickly, especially in emergencies, without the stress of a credit check. It's especially helpful for anyone wondering how to secure a $2,000 loan today, despite their credit challenges. Title loans at Missouri Title Loans Incorporated empower you to take charge of your finances, with quick cash solutions designed specifically for those who might feel overlooked by traditional lending options. If you're in need of a $2,000 loan and meet the basic requirements, you could find the support you require with ease and convenience. For more details and to start your application, visit our website, MissouriTitleLoansInc.com.